Direction A1, Brossard. Prochaine station, Sunnybrook.
Alright, so it's Friday, December 19th, 2025. It's exactly 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And we are riding the REM during a windstorm here, and I guess you can call this a blizzard. But you can hear the wind howling through the doors. This is my first time riding the REM during an actual windstorm. We are under a yellow windstorm advisory. Winds are up to 90 kilometers per hour, so you can see that right here clearly out the window.
Station Sunnybrook. Les portes s'ouvriront sur le côté droit.
So we're going to have a nice section coming up here where it's basically going to be like a void, very dark. Should be interesting to see the snow. This was rain earlier. It's actually very reminiscent to the ride I took when I went to Dumontagne a couple of weeks ago. So we'll see here. This is like going between here, Sunnybrook, and Pierrefonds Station.
Direction A1, Brossard. Prochaine station, Pierrefonds.
So again, we are under a wind warning right now. Officially. You can tell just how strong the winds are based on the snow. Show you guys the door here. That's all wind doing that. Quite impressive. actually see it more on this door here. And we're on set 38, by the way, as you can see here, set 38. Give you an idea of how much snow is accumulating on the windshield here. Keep in mind these windshields are heated to prevent ice buildup. I've mentioned in other videos that it's actually quite dark here. The camera picks up the light quite well, so it looks a lot lighter than it is, a lot brighter. Now going through the Mount Royal tunnel, I was wondering if there'd be some kind of enhanced wind effect, sort of an enhanced wind effect based on, you know, the fact that there's the tunnel there. But I didn't notice anything peculiar out of the ordinary going through the Mount Royal tunnel. That could be the direction of the wind as well. But again, there was no real wind effect going through the Mount Royal tunnel. So I'll keep filming a bit more here. There's another REM train with one light off. Still trying to crack that mystery. Trying to figure out what the purpose of that is, why some REM trains only have one headlight on.
Les portes s'ouvriront sur le côté droit. Direction A1, Brossard. Prochaine station, du Ruisseau.
So I did film a pretty spectacular short for YouTube earlier, going across the Samuel de Champlain Bridge, heading in the north direction from Brossard, from the South Shore into Montreal. Filmed the front windshield, filmed through the front windshield, and the winds there were quite spectacular on the bridge. And this is all a result of a cold front that moved into the area, or is moving into the area right now as we speak.
station du Ruisseau. Les portes s'ouvriront sur le côté droit.
Alright guys, so I'm going to wrap up the video here. So hopefully you enjoyed that little bit of a windy ride, and as always, if you like what you see, hit the like button, subscribe, turn on your notification bells. More videos to come. Have a good night everybody. Thanks for watching.